Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today, we have a private treaty home for sale, located in Palmetto Meadows, Clarendon. For those who are not familiar with private treaty and how it works, it's simply one of the methods used by financial institutions to legally cover outstanding mortgage loans in default. And unlike buying a home at an auction, purchasing through private treaty means you can negotiate a sale price in private with the seller or real estate agent. Hope this simple explanation has brought some more understanding to how private treaty works. Now, let's get back to today's property. This 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom house is a single family property with multiple levels, has living area, dining, back patio, ceramic tiling, grills, and garage area. The land area is approximately 8,771 square feet, and the area consists mainly of returning residents and civil servants. Property is less than 10 minutes from the Bustamante Highway and the newly built Millennium Mall. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $143,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.